I'm the co-owner and director of Rural Gallery. We're here on the Art District on Santa Fe in Denver, Colorado, and the gallery opened 30 years ago, founded by Robin Rule, and we're happy to be a part of the district. I think one of my favorite things about being a gallerist is connecting people with artists and work that enhances their home and their lives, and I just love the way people connect with art. Being an art gallery during COVID has been a little bit of a challenge because the reason why we do what we do is to have people come in and experience work, and I think what's been incredibly difficult is having our patrons look at work only online, and it's not the same seeing something on a screen as it is seeing something in person. So as far as adapting, we've definitely increased our online visibility through Instagram and Facebook, direct emails, but we're happy to be back open by appointment. So yeah, welcoming people in. Rural Gallery stands apart, I think, somewhat because we've been in business for 30 years, which I find allows us to have a long history in Colorado. We're also different because we have a second location in Marfa, Texas, which is a wonderful little art hub. So the artists that we represent, the contemporary artists, the age range is 25 to 80. And there's a large focus on Colorado art history, and we're just happy to be a part of it. We'd love to have you visit us. You can check us out online at ruralgallery.com, or you can come to our physical brick and mortar at 808 Santa Fe Drive here on the Arts District on Santa Fe. We're open 12 to 6, Tuesday through Friday, and Saturday 12 to 5.